Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating tool that many seasoned traders swear by, but which often flies under the radar for beginners. We're talking about the On-Balance Volume Indicator, or OBV. Now, I know what you might be thinking, another complicated indicator with squiggly lines. But stick with me, because the logic behind OBV is incredibly simple and powerful. It can give you a unique edge by helping you see what the smart money is doing, often before the price makes its big move. So, if you've ever wanted to understand the real story behind price action and get a better feel for market momentum, you're in the right place. Let's get started. So, what exactly is on-balance volume? Created by Joseph Granville way back in the 1960s, OBV is a momentum indicator that uses volume flow to predict changes in stock price. Think of it like this. Price tells you asterisk what asterisk is happening, but volume tells you asterisk how much conviction asterisk is behind that movement. OBV combines these two crucial pieces of information into a single, easy-to-read line. The calculation is straightforward. If the price closes higher today than yesterday, we add today's volume to the previous day's OBV. If the price closes lower, we subtract today's volume. And if the price closes unchanged, the OBV remains the same. It's essentially a running total of buying and selling pressure. The core principle here is that volume precedes price. Big institutional investors, the ones who really move the market, tend to accumulate or distribute their positions over time. They try to do this quietly, without causing big price spikes. But their activity always shows up in the volume data. The OBV line captures this subtle flow of money. When you see the OBV line rising steadily, it suggests that buyers are in control and are accumulating shares. Even if the price is just moving sideways, this is a bullish sign. Conversely, if the OBV is trending downwards, it indicates that sellers are quietly offloading their positions, which is a bearish warning sign. The real magic of OBV happens when you spot a divergence. A divergence occurs when the price and the OBV line are telling you two different stories. Let's talk about a bullish divergence first. Imagine the price of a stock is making a new low, which on the surface looks very bearish. But when you look at the OBV indicator, you see it's actually making an asterisk higher asterisk low. What does this mean? It means that even though the price dropped, the selling pressure was much weaker on the second dip. The smart money isn't selling aggressively anymore. In fact, they might be starting to buy. This divergence is a powerful clue that the downtrend is losing steam and a potential reversal to the upside could be just around the corner. Now, let's flip that around and look at a bearish divergence. This is the opposite scenario. The stock price is climbing higher, making new highs, and everything looks fantastic. Retail traders are piling in, chasing the momentum, but you glance at your OBV indicator and notice that it's failing to make a new high. It might even be making an asterisk lower asterisk high. This is a major red flag. It tells you that despite the rising price, the buying volume isn't strong enough to support it. The upward move is running on fumes. The big players are likely distributing their shares to the unsuspecting public at these higher prices. A bearish divergence is often a powerful warning that the rally is about to fizzle out and a price drop is imminent. Beyond divergence, you can also use OBV to confirm the strength of a trend. This is a simpler, but equally effective, technique. If a stock is in a clear uptrend, with the price making higher highs and higher lows, you want to see the OBV line doing the same. An OBV that is also making higher highs and higher lows confirms that there's genuine buying pressure fueling the uptrend. This gives you more confidence to stay in the trade. If the price is breaking out to a new high, and the OBV line also breaks out to a new high, that's a very strong confirmation that the breakout is legitimate and has the volume to sustain itself. The same logic applies to a downtrend. If the price is falling, you'd expect to see the OBV line also trending downwards, confirming the selling pressure. If the price breaks down to a new low and the OBV line follows suit, it validates the strength of the downtrend. However, if the price is trending upwards but the OBV is just moving sideways or flat, it signals a lack of conviction. The trend might be weak and prone to a reversal. Think of the OBV as your trend's health meter. A healthy trend has volume supporting it, and OBV will show you that loud and clear. Now, it's crucial to remember that no indicator is a magic crystal ball, and OBV is no exception. It works best when used in conjunction with other tools and analysis. For example, you can combine OBV with classic price action analysis. Look for breakouts from key support and resistance levels. If a price breaks above a major resistance level, and at the same time, the OBV line also breaks a key resistance level of its own, the signal becomes much more reliable. This combination tells you that both price and volume are in agreement, giving you a higher probability of a successful trade. You can also pair it with moving averages to help confirm trend direction. Let's summarize the key takeaways. On-balance volume is a powerful momentum indicator that measures cumulative buying and selling pressure. Its main strength lies in its ability to show you what's happening under the hood of the market. Remember the key signals. First, look for divergences. A bullish divergence, where price makes a new low but OBV makes a higher low, signals a potential bottom. A bearish divergence, where price makes a new high but OBV makes a lower high, warns of a potential top. Second, use OBV to confirm the strength of a trend. A rising OBV confirms an uptrend, while a falling OBV confirms a downtrend. And finally, always use OBV as part of a broader trading strategy, combining it with other forms of analysis like price action or other indicators. By incorporating OBV into your charting toolkit, you can start to understand the story that volume tells. It can help you spot reversals before they happen, confirm the strength of your trends, and ultimately, make more informed trading decisions. It's a simple concept, but one that can seriously level up your market analysis. Thank you so much for watching today's deep dive into the on-balance volume indicator. I hope you found it helpful and that it gives you a new tool to explore in your own trading. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next video. If you have any questions about OBV or have a topic you'd like me to cover, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you all. Until next time, trade safe and trade smart.